for you.
Another 90s banger from Donna Lewis. Yeah. Look at this idiot. BMW, typical BMW driver, isn't it? Yeah, I've got him on there. I've got him. Two fucking lanes? What are you on about? 2 lanes?
It was really safe, but it didn't work. So, after desperately waiting to hear back from Haley for
especially
a
when
and still not hearing from her, Heather grabbed her phone once more.
What are you doing?
Takeaway meal. What are you doing, you idiot? Always an Audi. It's always an Audi, isn't it? Yeah. Always an Audi. Right in front of her. Right, we'll get all that downloaded.
She's having a year.
Straight through a red light, there we go. Naughty.
Caused by an empty stomach.
Yeah, that's what I
And
said.
let's face it, yeah. And I'm not going to dismiss it as, oh, that's what it definitely is.
No. Jesus Christ! Place to drop off, isn't it? Right on a junction. And you also have this issue where people then decide we're going to drop off in there.
So we may as well get out roadside,
I wouldn't. There's lanes both sides. I'll wait for this Mini to move out the junction, and I'll probably I'm going to wait for this guy to shift because the guy behind me wants to get in as well, I think. So
yeah, looks like it.
They're dropping off in the actual mouth of the junction. We're done. Yeah, I can't do much about it, mate.
Take care, we'll see you soon.
You will.
Hold on, can you? Martin, yeah.
Oh, sorry mate, there wasn't a lot we could do.
Whoops. You are now caught in the middle of the junction. Yeah, great. The old blindly follow. Well done, Mr. Audi. Yeah. Oh, wait. That looks like a really good premium car parking spot. You know, the one there next to the double yellow lines. Yeah, that looks really good, doesn't it? Yeah, park there. Well, the premium spaces is full. I guess I'll have to go and find another space and add an additional 30 seconds to my walk to the door. You know what? That isn't actually a parking space, mate. Because I can't find any normal spaces. There's none available. No, he's not in his car. Great place to park your car, mate.
To be taken out in the depths of winter, but today is a nice enough day.
Turn your handle round and round in the engine a couple of times to get some oil round.
Yeah.
Pump some fuel up, but 1
Of
second
course,
go.
yeah. This is the uprated A35, of course. I learned to drive on an A30 with the 803cc
Oh, yeah,
engine.
you had the 948 engine in this, and there was 848 in them, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They made the last ones in 1958, didn't they?
Something like that.
This is 50.
Foul day, but lovely car. Triumph 2000. Early one as well.
No. Indicators are for losers. Bomb on through.
No. Let me get a picture though. No. Turn round. How can we turn? Where can we turn round?